Welcome to our channel, English with NS. Hi guys, hope you are fine. In this video, we will learn about interjections. Let's define. What are interjections? As we have already discussed in the introductory video that interjections are words which express some sudden feelings or emotions. Through interjections, listener immediately understands the feelings of speaker. For example, oh, wow, alas, ah, are different interjections. There are different types of interjection. Interjection of happiness. Interjection of sorrow. Interjection of anger. Interjection of greeting. Interjection of approval. Interjection of shock. Interjection of surprise. Let's discuss them one by one. Interjection of happiness are used to express joy on an incident. For example, yay, hooray, yippee, yahoo. Next is interjection of sorrow. Sorrow interjections are used to convey the feelings of sorrow over something bad that has happened. For example, alas, ah, oh, ouch. Next is interjection of anger. Such interjections are used to express anger over something unfortunate. For example, ugh, grr, aw, hell. Next is interjection of greetings. These kind of interjections are used to greet a person to express the emotion of warmth to meet with anyone. For example, hi, hello, hey, what's up? Next is interjection of approval. These express a strong sense of approval for something. For example, well done, bravo, splendid, brilliant. Next is interjection of shock. These kind of interjections are used to express sudden shock or surprise over an incident. For example, oh my god, shoot, whoa, crap. In this video, we have discussed interjection and its types. In our next video, we will come up with a new topic. Until then, goodbye. Thanks for watching. If you liked our video, please like, subscribe and also press the bell icon. Plus, don't forget to comment and share.